This Remax Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Florida living at its best. Spacious living area boasts of easy care tile flooring and sliding doors opening to raised screen porch with a peek of the lake across the street. Interior bonus room has built-in desk. Chef's kitchen with breakfast nook and bay window for light. King-size master suite runs full width of the home and offers family-size walk-in closet. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.